You may click on this video because you are searching for how to hack Wi-Fi password in Android app. Hacking Wi-Fi password is very dangerous, but the truth is not every hack is bad and not every hacker is a criminal. In fact, many hackers secure government and companies' websites from malicious actors. In this video, we are going to talk about how the terms got started and how they can become misunderstood. At the end, I will share a video of how a hacker used to crack Wi-Fi password in 2 minutes. Please note that Rolladale Business is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with the video I will share at the end of this one, rather to inform and educate their viewers on this channel. Only use it with your own Wi-Fi password. Don't ever use it against others because if you do, you're responsible for the consequences of indulging in this format. When we talk about hackers, most people think of committing crimes or stealing something online, or they likely think of people attempting to crack into websites, steal credit cards, and attack government properties. You might picture someone in a dark jacket and sunglasses staring at a screen full of ones and zeros as they take down an electrical grid. However, hacking rarely looks like that, but not every hacker today is engaging in criminal activity. Most of them are used for legal purposes. This act of hacking is generally a neutral term because the word hack is just referred to working a technology problem in a creative way, going beyond the instruction manual with no negative connotation. Eventually, the term hacking broadly refers to using one's expertise and technical knowledge to gain otherwise restricted access to a computing system. So, the purpose of hacking can either be illegal, such as stealing personal data, or entirely above board, such as obtaining crucial information about a criminal operation. Let's look at 3 types of hackers in the world. The most popular 3 primary types of hackers in the world today is white, black, and grey hats. White hat hackers can also be called ethical hackers. They use their technical expertise to discover vulnerabilities in systems and create protections against attacks. Black hat hackers. They are those people who use their knowledge for malicious purposes. They hack explicitly for criminal purposes such as stealing credit cards or state secrets. I will share with you how they operate and how to avoid them at the end of this video. Grey hat hackers. They are people in the middle of white hats and black hats, operating in a moral and legal grey area. They are often independent and do not work for any particular company. These kinds of hackers will usually discover an exploit and then tell a company what it is and how to fix it for free. If the company reduces their pay after the services, they switch to the other way around. Another type of hacking is device hacking. This is the device hacking community, which involves modifying various consumer gadgets to perform tasks or run softwares that they are not designed to run. Some famous device hacks in the society today are jailbreaking on iOS and rooting on Android, allowing users to gain significant control over their own devices. Now that I have explained why hacking 2022 is very dangerous and also added 3 types of hackers in our society today, the next video that is going to pop up now is how a hacker used to crack Wi-Fi password in 2 minutes. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we have more interesting videos like this to share with you in the future. And also, don't forget to like and comment if you find this video useful. hope you enjoyed this video. Please note that attempting to gain unauthorized access to Wi-Fi network is illegal in most jurisdictions. If you want to practice with these tools, use a Wi-Fi network that you own or one where you have the permission of the network owner. Thanks for watching and bye for now.